Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get Team Fortress 2 on Xbox One. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your xbox.com on your web browser and get into the official website, and make sure to sign in as well. So right over here, all we have to do is simply go to the search section and we're gonna simply type it in the orange box. So Team Fortress 2, you simply have to access the orange box, right? So if you go here in this general information, you can find the titles, which the box is bundle that includes 5 titles from Valve: Half-Life 2, Half-Life 2 episode, etc., and Team Fortress 2 in this bundle, right? So you have to get that for that. So but if you go to this buy the orange box on Xbox, unfortunately you will be able to see this particular notification which says not available separately. So even if you would like to have it digitally, you won't be able to install neither the download or purchase right there here in the Xbox One. So but if you would like to really play it, all you have to do is have the physical copy of it, and once you have purchased the physical copy, then you can simply choose to play. But if you would like to purchase it digitally here in the Xbox One, you do not have that option, unfortunately. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.